StandardAero, a leading independent provider of aerospace engine aftermarket services, has renewed its long-standing relationship with Thai low-cost airline NOC Airlines Public Company Limited. The partnership involves StandardAero providing CFM International CFM56-7B turbofan engine maintenance, repair, and overhaul services for NOC Air's fleet of Boeing 737-800 narrowbody aircraft. This renewed partnership is a testament to StandardAero's commitment to delivering reliable and cost-effective engine support services. With its facility in Winnipeg, Manitoba, StandardAero has already inducted 2 NOC Air CFM56-7B engines and is well equipped to provide comprehensive engine services to the airline. Mario Romano, Airline Sales Director for StandardAero's Airlines and Fleet Business Unit, expressed delight in renewing the partnership with NOC Air, highlighting the company's commitment to the highest levels of service quality. StandardAero's extensive experience in providing engine services, including component repair and overhaul capabilities, engine health monitoring data analysis, and asset management support, makes it an ideal partner for NOC Air. NOC Air, known for its bright yellow beaks on its aircraft, operates a fleet of 14 Boeing 737-800s, serving destinations across Thailand, Southeast Asia, East Asia, and South Asia. With its CFM56-7B MRO capabilities, StandardAero is well positioned to support NOC Air's engine maintenance needs, ensuring the airline's fleet remains operational and efficient. Likewise, StandardAero was selected by Salam Air, Oman's low-cost carrier, to provide maintenance, repair, and overhaul support for the CFM International LEAP-1A turbofan engines powering its fleet of Airbus A320neo family narrowbody aircraft. This partnership marks a significant step in ensuring the long-term performance and availability of Salam Air's aircraft. Salam Air's CEO, Adrian Hamilton-Mans, expressed confidence in StandardAero's proven capabilities and technical expertise and looks forward to a strong partnership that supports the airline's growth and commitment to delivering dependable and affordable travel for its passengers. With its facility in San Antonio, Texas, StandardAero provides comprehensive engine services, including maintenance, repair, and overhaul, as well as component repair and overhaul capabilities. StandardAero's team of LEAP technicians is growing through its in-house aviation mechanic training program, and the company has industrialized over 300 component repairs for the LEAP-1A and LEAP-1B. Salam Air currently operates a fleet of 13 Airbus A320 and 321 aircraft, with plans to expand its fleet to 25 aircraft by 2028. The airline's commitment to growth and modernization is supported by StandardAero's expertise and capabilities in providing LEAP-1A engine MRO support. CFM International, the joint company between GE Aerospace and Safran Aircraft Engines, is the world's leading supplier of commercial aircraft engines, with a product line that sets the industry standard for efficiency, reliability, durability, and optimized cost of ownership for narrowbody aircraft. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.